Welcome to Latest Cars Review, the channel where we bring you the most exciting and detailed reviews of the hottest cars on the market. If you're a car enthusiast, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we have something truly special for you, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63. This beast has been redefined with more power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology than ever before. Let's dive right in. The Mercedes-AMG G63 has always been an icon, known for its aggressive looks, exceptional off-road capability, and monstrous performance. The 2025 model takes things to the next level while retaining its signature boxy design. The front grille now features a more refined Panamericana-style look, and the LED headlights come with an updated design that enhances its road presence. The massive 22-inch alloy wheels and flared wheel arches make sure that this SUV commands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, the 2025 AMG G63 gets a major update. Mercedes has introduced a hybrid-assisted twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, producing an insane 585 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This powertrain is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, allowing it to go from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.2 seconds. With AMG's 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, this SUV can conquer any terrain while maintaining incredible on-road performance. Step inside, and the G63 greets you with ultimate luxury. The cabin is wrapped in premium Nappa leather with carbon fiber and aluminum trims. The latest MBUX infotainment system comes with dual 12.3-inch displays, offering seamless connectivity and cutting-edge tech features. The ambient lighting, Burmester 3D surround sound system, and massaging seats take comfort to an entirely new level. Plus, the new model now features an advanced driver assistance system, ensuring a safer and more effortless driving experience. When it comes to off-road capability, the G63 remains unmatched. It comes with 3 differential locks, an adaptive suspension system, and multiple off-road driving modes to tackle any challenge. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on rugged terrain, this SUV delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is not just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of power, performance, and prestige. With a perfect blend of iconic design, modern technology, and brute force, it continues to be the ultimate high-performance SUV. That's all for today's review. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews. See you in the next video.